So he gives everything to everybody. Whatever you want. You want something in Tamagun, you get Tamagun. You want something in Rajagun, you get Rajagun. It's Shivji, Param Vaishnava. He wrote the Radha Kripa Kataksha, to name one. He wrote Radha Sahasranam, to name two. He's a Radha Bhakta. He'll give anything, anything you want in this universe. Why? This universe is like a big store. So this whole universe is a big store, and Shiva's wife controls it. Durga. Durga means anything in this world you want, it comes from Durga and Shiva. So if you worship Durga or Shiva, you can get anything in this world. But you won't get what's in Shiva's heart. What's in Shiva's heart is Radha. Radha. There's so many Shiva Bhaktas. They have so many things. So anyway, the basic point is mantris, they have the access to this prema because their whole love is oriented towards the servitude of Radharani. They're kinkaris. So if you serve the great, you become great. Sometimes there's a servant of a guru, and they're always traveling everywhere together. So he becomes great. He's just some brahmachari, grihastha, whatever. But he becomes great because of his sangha, association with the great, the guru. And even if you see, as soon as you see the servant of the guru somewhere, I will, like this, Hare Krishna, pronounce. Where's Guru? As soon as you see him, where's Gurudev? Oh, he's just down the street. I'm here, or whatever. So then, because you can't separate, because the servant has access to the Guru, his location, and if he's a good servant, first-class servant, has access to the heart of the Guru.